Motivational something AMB. Motivational something.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are so fine by the grace of Allah, and He is also the power of making time and honesty. And in this class, we will be there on the topic completing sentence. This is an important fact for any students to learn actually. So, before starting our topic, we have to know about the very completing sentence. That means, what do we mean by completing sentence? Completing sentence means completing the very incomplete sentence. Okay? That means giving the very full shape of a half shape things. These are to be called completing sentence. So, complete means giving something fully. Okay, and it also indicates the meaning of finishing sentence, the very part of a very sentence. That means very words of a sentence, group of words are to be called sentence. So, completing sentence means you have to complete the very sentence, you have to complete an incomplete sentence. So, you have to go through the very rule. That means the very first one is might we are going to cannot help could not help position. Okay, that means in an incomplete sentence, the very sentence is to be found to might with a need can't help, to not help or preposition. After that, we have to write. By writing after the very situation, we can complete the very incomplete sentence, such as this mind. Mind means don't mind me. And after mind, we have to use after mind or after all things, we have to use the very verb one and the very ing. Okay, and others. For example, would you mind? And another example, he came here with a view to. Another example, she goes there for. Okay, I can't help. These are the examples of the very incomplete sentence. So the students should complete the sentence by adding something. That means after that we have to use verb one plus ing and others. That means mind with a view for as preposition can't help. Okay. Would you mind? You have to write here any form, any base form of any verb. That means it and ing. Eating. Others means object may be used here. Rice. Would you mind eating rice? Don't mind for eating rice. Okay. And he came here with a view. He came here with a view. These are the very incomplete sentence 1 to 3 here, because there is no the very full meaning of the sentence. This also indicates the half meaning, incomplete meaning. So we have to write another thing, that means another verb. We came here with a view means we came here learn. Learn is the very best form of verb, and we have to use here ing, learning English. We came here with a view to learning English. So by adding these two things, by adding these words, we can also complete this incomplete sentence. And another example, he goes therefore. He goes therefore. That means the very for is used here as preposition. Yeah, preposition is mentioned totally for incomplete sentence. So we have to use he goes therefore helping the poor. So it is the very complete sentence. They are the very complete sentence. Okay? Now I can't help dot. And this shouldn't be done by me, and it is kept for you for your answer, for your solution. You have to do it, you have to solve it. Okay? This example is for all of you. So our first one is picture. And second, if it is to be called the very double rule of if, it also indicates a lot of things, such as the very at the phase of right from verb, at the phase of the very completing sentence, and at the phase of the very what conditional. So the rule of if so important. For if we can use three nouns, such as if, subject, verb one, another if, subject, verb two, and another if, subject, at plus verb three. Okay? And the very answer may be used here as subject and then will or shall plus verb one, and here subject should, would or plus verb one, and here should, would plus verb three. Here subject may be used also. So in a sentence, for example, if I go there, if I go there, dot. If I go there means if subject I, go verb, and there is adverb, that means others. So this is the very example of incomplete sentence. So we have to complete this by following the very rules, these rules. That means, go is used as the very verb one and singular form. So we can complete the very sentence by using this structure. That means we have to use another subject. If I go there, we have to use this subject or another subject as he, and as verb one is used here, we have to use he will. If I go there, he will eat. We have to use another. That means the will object. If I go there, he will eat rice. Okay? This the very function of the very another group totally depends on the very first portion of the very sentence. That means if I go there, this is the very example of the very this rule. And if subject verb two, okay? If I wait there, dot. Okay, we have to complete it by using another sentence. That means he, verb two is used here, so we have to use would. And verb one, that means go there. So this is the very answer. And if subject had plus verb three, it is so contradictory. most of the students also do the very wrong for solving the very this incomplete sentence at the face of this rule of if, such as if she had done it dot. So I would or should then had, that will have done. Okay, this is the very answer. That means if she had done it, I would or should have gone. This is complete sentence. And now the very contradictory thing is, if I had enough money dot. So most of the students misunderstood or misunderstand here. At the phase of had, here had is used, here had is used also, but after had that means the very participle, past participle form of verb used, that means verb 3, and here there is no symbol, no symptom, no availability of verb. This is enough, it is an adverb, and it is an adverb. So we have to complete this sentence not at the face of this rule. We have to complete this sentence at the face of this rule, because here verb 2 is used. Why it is verb 2? Because there is no verb here. So we have to complete this sentence by using this structure. That means she we have done the two rules for completing sentence, and another rule may be it is time or it's high time. That means this also indicates the very thing. In this moment you have to do anything. So this rule is so important for all. And for solving the very incomplete sentence, for completing the incomplete sentence at the face of this rule, you have to do three things. That means it is time plus 2 plus verb 1, okay, and it is time 2. So the answer is verb 1 and others. One rule. Another is it's time and plus subject dot. Here the answer is verb 2 plus others, and it's time preposition that means for and objects. Okay, dot. So 2, answer is 2 plus verb 1 plus others. So important and so contradictory here also. It's time to, it's time only, it's time for object. Object may be used here as us, you, them, me, etc. So, for example, look at here, it is time to dot. There is no using thing here. Okay, the sentence is incomplete because we hope there may be something for expressing the very meaning. That means it is time to. Okay, so we have to use this structure. That means verb 1. Our answer is it is time to read more. Read is verb 1. More is used here as others. And this is the very example of the very first person. It is time to, and it is time we. What we should use? It is time in. It is time we. Dot. So we have to use here the very verb to, because the very subject is used after it is time. So we Saw a car. We saw a car. Saw is used here as the very verb 2 of the very verb 1 C. Why we used here saw? Because after its time, if the very subjective form of the very if subjective form is used after the very its time, we have to use the very verb 2. So this is the very complete sentence, and it is time for object. Okay, look here. It is time for me. There are also 4 objects in here. Among them, I also used here me. Okay, dot 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 dot. What should we do actually here? What we should do? That means to and verb 1. It is time for me to go from here. The very general thing is here as the very to go. That means after it is time for is used, preposition is used, and me is used as objective form. So we have to use verb 2 plus verb 1. So this is another example of the very uses of it is time. So this is not the very full thing of the very uses of using of it is time. There is also another use. That means some clue are to be used at the phase of solving the very incomplete sentence. Suppose the sky is so cloudy. Okay. Now here use it is high time. Okay. For dot 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 dot. It is high time for. So here you, all of you, should not use the very any verb. You have to use according to the very sentence. The sky is cloudy. Cloudy sky. For cloudy sky, you have to use the very verb go, because the very sky is so cloudy. Most probably it may rain randomly or drizzling. Okay. So we can use it is high time for. After for, we have to use at the very first time objective form. That means us. It is high time for us to go from here. Okay. So before the very sentence, the very another example of the very it is high time rule. We can use any verb, but here we have to use go according to the very meaning of the very sentence that is totally used here for completing the very sentence. So this is the very rule of incomplete sentence and the phase of completing sentence and the phase of it is high time is time. Okay, and now we are going to another rule, that means no sooner had than. So important. Okay, after no sooner had, subject plus verb 3 is used, and after then verb 2 and others may be used. In incomplete sentence, this first part may be used. Okay, and you have to write the very after them you have to write them and the very another thing. If the very sentence is used at the phase of them and verb to others, then you have to complete this sentence by using this use. That means no sooner have also all the time indicates them. Then also indicates all the time no sooner have. If after them verb to is used. So this rule is so important for you, all of you, for the all students. So for example, no sooner have we done it dot 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 dot. Okay, and another dot dot dot. Then we fed her. Okay. In this two way, at the phase of this rule, incomplete sentence may be used for your completing. So no sooner have we done it, we have to use at the very first time then, and subject. This subject may be used, another subject may be used. Okay, no sooner have We done it. We saw a tiger. Okay. And here, then we fed her. That means no sooner heard. And another subject. Their subject is used as we. So we can use this subject we. No sooner heard we. Yeah. See a tiger. That means tigris, because their verb is used the very feminine form. So we can use the very tigris. No sooner that we see a tigris, then we fed her. Okay. These are the very example of no sooner that at the phase of completing sentence. And another rule is so that it also indicates the very purpose. The very purpose. Before so that a lot of words may be used. Okay, and you have to complete this sentence by writing so that and the very rule. Okay, what we have to write? That means subject. Subject means the very previous subject. Previous subject and can अथवा could have one plus others. What do you mean by previous subject? Previous subject here also indicates the very subject which is used at the very first sentence actually. Okay, look here. They came here, so there. Again, I write it, so that. Now we have to notice here. Okay, there is two options at the phase of using can or could. Where you have to use can and where could. So can also indicates the very verb one, and could also indicates the very verb two. So this is so important and this is so noticeable for you to correct the very incomplete sentence in the complete form. Okay, so they came here so that after so that we can use subject, previous subject. Yeah, previous subject means this is subject. They. The very previous subject is the answer is they. Okay, they. So can or could may be used here. Most probably here the very first portion of the sentence can is used. The very past form. So for past form that means verb to form at the phase of verb to we can use could. They could. Okay. Could is used here and then after could is also indicates the very modal verb and after modal verb we can use verb one. That means they came here so that they could see me. Verb one. And I write it so that previous subject may be used I, and here can most probably must be used because here the very verb one is used the very previous sentence. So we can use can. So I write it so that I can get good mark. Here the very verb one is used and these are also these also indicates the very others, that means other portion of the very sentence. So these are all for today and I have to stop here and before stopping my video I want to say the very next part of the very complete sentence will be given to you the very next class. So wait for me and for my video. And stopping my video, I really ask to all of you for subscribing my channel and watch my video, share my video and stop.